Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up local delivery on Wix Store. So let's get started. First, open Wix website and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you will see at the left side the panel. Scroll down until you find settings and here look for the shipping and delivery fulfillment option. You just have to click on that and here you are able to create a new region. You will see a create region at the top right side. Click on this and here you have to enter your region name. For example, I am adding Belgium and next here you have to add the destination. So I'm selecting Belgium. Now you have to click on the next button and here you have to select the delivery method and rate you want to offer to the customer. So select local delivery and as you can see here from the drop down menu, you will see several options like free delivery, flat rate, rate by weight, price and quantity. So select free delivery and here you have to name the checkout, for example, express delivery. Now you have to set area by. So you will see there are three options: radius, zip postal code, or draw on a map. So I'm choosing radius and after you're done with all of this, click on the add button. Now you will see local delivery as an option for nearby customers. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.